CK Arora back with yet another interesting video. Today we are going to talk about trust. What is trust? And how do we ensure that we have trust with each other? When we are in relationship, we definitely have to have trust. This is one of the requirements of any relationship. Trust is fundamental. So because we are human beings, we sometimes commit mistakes. Yes. Have you committed any mistake? Well, I don't know about you, but I commit mistakes every day. And because of the mistakes, the I lose the trust. Somebody loses the trust on me. I lose the trust on myself. So how do we restore the trust? So one thing is that we must be in communication with the person with whom we've lost the trust, or the person has lost the trust on us. So if I know that I've committed a mistake, the easiest thing is that I apologize, and that restores the trust, because the other person knows that I'm aware that I've committed a mistake, so it rebuilds the trust instantly. Sometimes I'm not sure why the other person is not trusting me. So rather than avoiding the person, we must be in communication and find out what went wrong. And after we have sorted out the things, we must put the things in writing so that the opportunity for misinterpretation does not arise. And therefore, we must sort out things, be in communication, write things down, and hug each other, and let the life rebuild itself. And why it is important? Because that person is important, relationship is important, so rebuilding the trust is also important. Otherwise we can just let that person go out of our life. It takes years and years and years to build a trusted relationship, and it takes minutes to lose it. So why lose it? The very fact that we were in communication, we were having a trust on that person, so why should one small interaction, one small transaction lose it all? So give it your full chance and restore the trust with whomever you have lost the trust. And that's all I wanted to share. And before I close the video, I wanted to give a personal example. We have two young children. They are all settled abroad, and when they were very very young, immediately after school they went abroad, and so we were not having trust on them whether they will be able to manage their lives. But we were in constant communication once or twice every week, and that gave us the confidence that yes, they are actually flourishing, they're doing well in their life. So we got the trust that they can manage on their own. Otherwise we would have called them back. So, and similarly, my wife and I fight every day on some small trivial issues, but I apologize wherever there is a mistake committed from my side, and she apologizes if the mistake is done from her side. And we are communicating more than what we do on a normal basis, and those things are sorted out. So that's all I wanted to share on in this video, and I will see you tomorrow with yet another interesting aspect of life. And if you like this video, please do share it and write your own stories if you have concern to the trust. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. CK Ra signing off.